Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new on my channel, please do subscribe, please and join the family. And if you're already a member of the Double A gang, you're already part of the family. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieved this look, and like from head to my face. I achieved this look, which means the hairstyle and the face, with products that are under 200 rands. So if you're like a baby on a budget and you're like, I'd really like to know how to achieve that look, and I really know how to achieve that hairstyle, then honey, keep on watching. And don't forget to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section down below, and also subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. I love this look, guys. Like, honey, it's giving, it's really giving. Anyway, let's get straight into the video.
All right guys, so we're gonna start with the hair. And I had these twists because I twisted my hair a few days ago. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna undo the twists, of course, and just, yeah, undo everything. And then after that, I'm gonna sprinkle some water, like pure water, on my hair before I go on with my comb. So I am using my white tooth comb to comb my hair and just thoroughly comb my hair and get rid of any tangles on my hair. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. And then after that, I am using my Got to Be Glued styling gel. I love the styling gel for my afro. So yeah, that's what I am using, and I'm just gonna apply that on my hair and then comb my hair as I go. And then yeah, just to try to be able to tie the hair at the top. So just go in and in and in and in with your comb until everything is smooth and ready to be tied up. So yeah, let's do that. And so I'm using my toothbrush because I couldn't find my bigger brush. So if you have a little bit bigger brush, you can use that instead of a toothbrush. And then yeah, I finally managed to tie up all of my hair. And then after that, I'm using a silk scarf to just lay down everything, just to lay down my hair. So yeah, I'd really recommend that you get a silk scarf because it's just good for your afro, and the gel won't stick onto the silk scarf, unlike other materials. So yeah, silk scarf is very good for your hair. So if you can get it, just make sure you get it and use it to lay down your hair. And then after that, I'm just gonna wait for about like 5 to 10 minutes just to make sure that everything is laid down and smooth. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just wait and wait and wait. I know that's right. And then after that, I'm just gonna braid my hair up there, the hair that is left at the top. As you can see, I don't know what to call that hair. And then yeah, braid it into a bun.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna put this condo on my hair. So I have this fiber, I don't know if you can see, like the brand is Expression. I'm sure you know Expression. So I just took one fiber and then I twisted it like this, as you can see, and then I put this band here so that I can insert it here like this. And then I'm just gonna roll this the way that I want it to be. But now the problem is I don't have a mirror here in front of me, so I can't really see myself. So I don't know, I think I'll need to go to the bathroom. But this part is easy. You just take your hair and then you just roll it like that. Alright guys, so I went to the mirror and then I did my thingy here, my bun. So now the next step is to insert your bobby pins just to secure everything and make sure that it doesn't move. So yeah, you just do that. So I'm gonna apply this at the tail first, at the tail of my fiber where I ended, so that it doesn't move. My bun, guys, is quite big, like it's quite big, so dramatic. so dramatic, but I love it anyway. So, and then you want to insert here at the top. So what you do is you just go on and insert your bobby pins all over your bun until you can feel that it is secure enough and it's not moving and it's just gonna stay there the whole day. So yeah, that is literally how you achieve this bun. Oh, this is how I do it. So yeah, and now we're just gonna move on to makeup. We're gonna beat this face to the gods, period. How beautiful, guys, I love.
And so starting with my eyebrows, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up using a spoolie brush. And then after that, I am using a brown pencil. You can get this brown pencil for like 10 rands up in my Chinese, or yeah, the Indian shops, or even in the streets. You know, those people that are selling things there, you can find that for like less than 20 rands. So that's what I am using to fill in my brows. And yeah, let's do that. And then to conceal my eyebrows, I'm using LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Cool 10. And yeah, I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows using the concealer. So yeah, and then after that, I'm gonna apply the concealer all over my lid to prepare for the eyeshadow. And then for eyeshadow, I am using this eyeshadow palette, the Bloom eyeshadow palette from AA Beauty Cosmetics. I'm gonna leave the details below if you want to order the eyeshadow palette. AA Beauty Cosmetics is my brand, it's my makeup brand, so yeah, I really appreciate the support. Anyway, I am taking that burgundy reddish shade and I'm just applying it all over my lid. You just need to pack the product and pack and pack and pack and pack so that it gives you maximum pigment. And then to clean up there at the top, like as my transition color, I am using the orange shade, that shade that I always use as a brush. So yeah, I'm just using that as my transition shade and just blending the two shades together. And then after that, I am going to take the gold glitter. As you can see, that gold glitter, and I'm just applying it there where I would usually cut my crease. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it there as like a thick line, just to give us that glam look. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right there. Not too much, but yeah. And then to prime my face, I am using this hydrating primer from Wet n Wild. So yeah, that's what I'm using to prime my face so that it can be ready for foundation. And then for foundation, I am using this Revlon full cover foundation, color Stay, in the shade Toast. So yeah, and then to blend the foundation, I am using a flat brush. And then to conceal my face, I'm gonna be using the same concealer that I used to clean up my eyebrows, the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cool 10. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes, on my chin, bridge of my nose, my forehead, and yeah, and just conceal any spots that I have on my face. So then to blend the concealer, I am using a beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. Don't forget, make sure that you dampen your beauty blender in water. So yeah, and then after this concealer, I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer, which is this one from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit because yeah, it's a bit lighter than the one I applied. The one I applied first, I applied it for coverage, but this one doesn't give me enough coverage, so I just use it to highlight my face. So yeah, that's why I use two concealers. And then I'm using the same beauty blender to blend that as well. And then to set the concealer, I am using the Revlon Candid powder in the shade 002, and then I'm just gonna apply it in all the places that I have applied the concealer, just to set everything. And then to contour my face, I'm using the Scarlet contour palette, which is from Mr. Price. Scarlet is from Mr. Price, if you didn't know. And yeah, I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. And then for blush, I am using the same palette from AA Beauty Cosmetics, and that and I'm just using that shade as my blush. I love this eyeshadow palette because you can use it as a blush, as a contour, and as an eyeshadow. So yeah, really love that for me, because I don't have to get too many products, especially if you are on a budget. Just make sure that you get a palette that you can use for more than one purpose. So yeah. And then for highlighter, I am using this highlighter glow palette from Essence Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply it on my forehead, on my cheeks, and yeah, bridge of my nose, just to give me that glow, you know. And then to set my face, I am using this Natural Finish setting spray from Wet n Wild, and I'm just gonna spray that all over my face. And then I'm using this Lash Princess from Essence Cosmetics, to mascarize my lashes. And then now I'm just using the same brown pencil that I used on my eyebrows to line my lips, to prepare for the lipstick. And the lipstick that I'm using today is from Legit. It's called the Legit Lip Wand. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that on my lips. And guys, I'm gonna write down all the products that I have used in the description box down below with their prices. So if you'd like to see that, just check the description box. And yeah, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask anything. And yeah, just make sure you blend your lipstick with your liner so that there's no harsh line. And then I went back on my lower lash line with the same eyeshadow that I used on my eyelid, and also with the same mascara that I used on the top, on my top lashes. I used it on my lower lashes. And then now I'm gonna take that highlighter and apply it at the inner corners of my eyes, just to open up my eyes a little bit. And yeah, that is it. This is the final look. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.